Even as the controversy over NEET unfolds, the National Testing Agency has cancelled UGC NET exam, saying the integrity of the examination may have been compromised. And the decision by the ministry comes amid a massive row on the medical entrance exam NEET over alleged irregularities, with the issue now, of course, before the Supreme Court. Now, according to the ministry statement, the adverse inputs on UGC NET were received from the National Cybercrime Threat Analytics Unit of the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Centre under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Although, very important to note here that the statement did not specify exactly how the exam's integrity has been compromised, sources said that irregularities were noticed at a few exam centres. Nearly 11 lakh candidates appeared for the exam. Remember, this exam is held for assistant professor posts in universities and colleges and to determine eligibility for junior research fellowships. Reacting to the decision, opposition parties hit out at the government, with the Congress saying that it was a defeat of the arrogance of the Modi government. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also said that the cancellation of the examination, however, was a victory of the spirit of millions of students.
जिस तरीके से नेट का पेपर आज मैंने सुबह प्रेस के माध्यम से बोला था कि एनटीए को तुरंत बैन कर देना चाहिए, मैं फिर वही मांग करता हूं कि एनटीए को तुरंत बैन कर देना चाहिए, उस पर एक सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। साथ के साथ मेरी अब प्रधानमंत्री जी से गुहार है कि आपके सामने अब दो चीज़ें हैं, या तो आप 35 लाख छात्रों को, युवाओं को न्याय दें, या अपने करप्ट शिक्षा मंत्रालय को और जो एनटीए है उसको बचाएं। और कहीं ना कहीं आप देखेंगे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी बार बार एनटीए को बचाने का काम कर रहे हैं। ऐसा क्या उनकी मजबूरी है कि वो एनटीए को बचाने का काम कर रहे हैं? कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है अब धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी जो पेपर लीक की धांधली का ये जो व्यापार शुरू करा एनटीए ने, इसमें खुद शामिल है।
My colleague Nikhil will of course get us the latest, but I also do understand that I'm being joined in by my guests this morning. Furkan Qamar, educationist, and Keshav Agarwal, Director, Media Coaching Federation of India. Thank you everyone for taking the time out and joining us here this morning. Keshav as well as Mr. Qamar, I'm going to come back to you in a couple of minutes. Let me first go across to my colleague Nikhil, who is reporting on the story for us. Nikhil, very good morning. Clearly with what we're looking over here, it really talks about how the students now find themselves in a very bleak situation.
Correctly, and this is going to make some of the psychological impact as well on all those 11 lakh aspirants who appeared for the UGC NET exam. Correctly, we are reporting from outside this particular building. This is the main UGC headquarters in the capital city, and we have been given to understand, Nivedna, that by 2 p.m. there is protest which is expected by the ISA, All India Student Union of the GNU in particular, where they are going to come out on the street to protest against the central government, particularly Ministry of Education, to raise some of the serious education questions as to how come after the NEET this is something which is going to take place, putting the lives of all those aspirants at risk. And clearly this is something which has been confirmed by the Ministry of Education as well yesterday throughout a tweet, wherein they have said that the integrity of the exam has been compromised. But if you go by the further details, this exam was conducted on 18th of June at 317 cities at 205 centers across the country. That means 11 lakh aspirants who appeared to find the eligibility for the assistant professor in different university and the colleges. Their future is currently of the confusion. There is no idea as to what exactly and when exactly the things are going to move further, because the Ministry have further said that they are going to come up with the new dates, but when exactly the dates are going to come, this is something which has not been confirmed so far. So what we are going to see today in the capital city, that there are a series of protests which is going to be showcased and going to be protested by the students in particular who have already appeared for the NET exam. Back to you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.